Okay. With all the stuff broken, including the giant hole there, Brilliant Corners did a walkthrough. They claim they did. And said that everything was kosher. See that big old hole? See, it goes into the interior wall, straight into the interior wall, just a giant hole open all the time. I put this there. I put that plastic little, it just comes right off. It's just a stopper. It's just a sink stopper. But at least it helps the brain when you're not looking at a giant hole into an interior wall. There's 4 like that. So broken cabinets, broken window, pieces out the toilet seat, windows that don't even open, leaking roof, raining inside the apartment. I don't mean dripping, I mean literally pouring down rain. Broken cabinets, the black mold, the broken tile, the broken stove, a refrigerator that doesn't work. But Brilliant Corner said they did the inspection and everything was fine. Holes in the walls. That's a hole. Straight into the wall. And that's another hole. Let me get you in the view. Straight into the wall.